Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to the target instance now. Right-click the database and choose Tasks Export Data to open the wizard. The Import and Export wizard opens and prompts for source and destination. Select SQL Server Native Client as the source and authenticate with Windows or SQL Login. Choose destination type like flat file, Excel, or SQL Server and click Next to continue. On the Choose a Data Source page, verify server, database, and authentication details. Select Copy data from one or more tables or use a query to export filtered rows. If you choose a query, write it now and include where clauses to limit results. Use TOP or date filters to export only needed rows and reduce file size. Preview column mappings and adjust data types or column sizes before proceeding to the next step. Choose Run immediately to execute the export now or save the Ssys package as a DTSX file for scheduled reuse. If saving, select Save Ssys package and choose SQL Server or File System Storage. Configure error handling, logging, and batching options such as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 row limits for large tables. Run the package and monitor progress messages for warnings or failures. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.